want to slim down. This is sure banker. This one is don't eat amala. This one is don't eat inyo. This one is don't eat jollof rice. You can eat whatever you like, but this is an herb that works for you. You are going to slim down. I bet see me, I don't share weight that small. I took it and I realized my weight is come. Hello, welcome to another beautiful video. Today's video I'm bringing to you apps for slimming down. If you want to reduce your weight, no matter how fat you are, this is the perfect apps, the complete kit for it. So this is still the magic woman behind these special apps. So tell us what is here.
Okay, actually we have Aju Mbaise and the combination of spices herbs already blended together like this.
Okay,
so these are organic natural herbs that help you in slimming down. Once you boil this together with the Aju Mbaise, you boil this alone, you just put a spoon of it in Ajumbaise in drinks of.
So this is slimming herbs. So how do we use it and what's the name of these herbs?
Okay, actually this herbs is Aju Mbaise.
Which one? Please let us see.
This Aju Mbaise is like a herb. It consists of different herbs. Purposely, most of the herbs are made for slimming down. You reduce fat, belly, excessive fat in the stomach. You will reduce. Then it's reduce protubelly. That's protubelly. That's what we call protubelly.
This is the complete kit. Now this is the Aju Mbaise. The Aju Mbaise is combination of all herbs that you just need to cook and drink. Then it comes with other herbs, like this is herbs that you can also use for your slimming, you're reducing your tummy. Then this is the grinded Aju Mbaise that's been grinded, and also the sticks too has been grinded into powder for easy transportation. How to use it?
You just take it, you have to boil it with water and other things. After the extract has been complete, you just take a glass cup with a spoon of this spicy, already mixed spicy. We don't want you to go for further stress, so you can just take with a spoon of these spices. And the minimum segment, let me say the minimum pieces we sell is just like 3 pieces. Inside we show you how we pack it so that it can easily be carried along. You saw something that is so tedious like that. It's not tedious in preparation, very easy. We make it to be easy, more easier, so that you don't need to be complaining, I'm trying to get this, I cannot find it, that's why I cannot continue with the usage. That has to be on Aju Mbaise. So also, as it is now, it also works for different things, hormonal imbalance, infections and the like, although we have another house for infections that work effectively. So this is the second part. If you are the type that you be like, mesh, I don't want herbs like that, how will I be going a long way, be taking it? They would thought maybe I'm using herbs for another thing. We already have it in sachet, blended herbs, paper herbs like.
Okay, everything here
is
packed.
Packed in herbs. So
everything you have in this place,
yes, all are contained inside there.
Wow, that's
so
lovely.
You just take a spoon in the morning,
okay,
and with warm water and a spoon last night. That's how it's good. This,
and it doesn't have excess usage.
You don't need to purge. It doesn't purge. It doesn't do anything.
And it will work to slim you down.
Exactly.
Okay, yeah. So how much do you sell this?
For a wrap, for a pack like this, we sell it 5,000 naira.
But for
the threes and the spices joining, we sell it 2,500 for it.
So the whole of this one in my hand is 2,500.
Yes, like this, it's 2,500.
Okay. So if it is this one you are buying, you have to cook it yourself.
You have to cook it yourself.
But if it is the other one,
you just get warm hot water and make it to settle. You pour it on it, you are good to go. For like 5 or 10 minutes, you are good to go with it. Because it's made with special, we have anti-inflammatory herbs are there too. And those that will help your body system to regain its normal. Okay. They are also there.
So it's so good for you. Can you see? And how fast does it work? We really need to get that this thing work.
Because this is minimum dose you can use for it, because you can't compare someone that has like small protubelly to someone that has bigger protubelly. It has to be in stages. That's why we used to tell our clients that organic herbs work gradually, not fast, not so buoyantly, yesterday that it will not affect the mechanism of the body system.
So it's a gradual process.
But some people, you can discover that they use the wrap and they are okay, but they just have to top it up because of what we eat daily.
Okay.
Women cannot use it.
Okay, pregnant women cannot use it.
And as you see, it's very good for nursing mothers too. You can cook it with pepper soup. If you don't like taking natural herbs like that, you cook it with pepper soup so that all the blood, excessive blood that still remain when you give me birth. You can see me. I cannot show my sorry. My tummy is so flat that people will be like, "Wow, what are?" It's just a prerequisite of what are we going through.
Okay.
So you just like you have to be like. So that even though it is very, 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 very useful for let me say the mother that just gave birth, because of excess blood, sometimes they might not remove the excess blood from so the tummy will be able to go down. You'll be able to do another figure 8 section spray.
So and you also said ulcer patients cannot use this. So what would they use? Because if I'm an ulcer patient and I realize that I'm getting bigger and I want to slim down, does that mean I can't slim down?
There are ways we do it for them. We give them another herbs they will use before they will start using it, so that it will not.
Okay, so you have herbs for ulcer patients.
Yes, that they will take before taking these herbs.
And when taking these herbs, do you need to eat the normal way you eat, or you have to watch your weight? You have to watch what you are eating, as in you have to go down on your cholesterol.
Actually, you need to watch cholesterol too, but I don't really like tangle too much on don't eat this, don't eat it. But you know, everybody, let me say, you have sense of belonging that you know that no, I'm using this junk food. No, I need to cut so that we will be able to see effective results in the nerve, and not that. For this, you can decide if you are trying to be like to balance of slimming and the protuberance. You can combine this a sachet and this together, so that the effectiveness will be so prone that people will like, what did you use? I need to check up on you. I need to be like, wow, I need to be like you. You look sexy, and figure 8 will come out very fast. Thank you.
Now, the cooking of this one, how did you prepare them?
And the preparation is not so deep. You just have to take a wrap, you take it under a running water to make sure those, let me say, dust or particles are there. So you get your pot, you get like a liter or like 2 liters of water, you put it in the pot, you put this herbs inside it. It cooks for like 15 to 20 minutes. After you cook it, you make sure, one thing I used to employ our clients is that they should make sure they drink it warm. Not that you take the hot water and now put it inside the refrigerator. We don't allow that. So once you cook it for like 15 to 20 minutes and you put it, you take it from the stove, you put it down from either stove or gas or anything you are using to cook. So after taking it from there, you allow it to settle and cool. You take a glass cup. So from that glass cup you've taken, you will now take a spoon of these herbs, you add it to it. So you now sip it up, you drink it. That's for the early in the morning, then late at night. But if you are also patients, we do it either way around, and you need to slim down. So we have special herbs for you. You can make sure that you know how.
If you're going to short to lose weight, I bet you once you try it, you will love it. So thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Just share this video so that everybody will know that yes, we have apps in Nigeria that you can actually slim down without going on diets. You know, some people are just scared, I want to slim down, but because of food I can't slim down. But with these herbs, I'm sure it does work, and it works for your belly also. If you're a woman, if you have given birth and you want your stomach to go down, it does work. It's so cheap and it's affordable. If you don't want to buy the normal herbs to cook, then you can go for the prepared one. To get this app anywhere in the world, you can just send message to my email. My email address is on the description below, and I'm going to make sure I reply all your questions. Any question you have, then the prices, you can send me a message on how to purchase and how it can get to you. Thank you for watching. Bye.